Hello guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video. I've been seeing a lot of users, asking that when will OnePlus add that thing like where we can swipe towards the left hand side to enable OnePlus Shelf. So guys, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can do that. I'll show you guys two methods, one with the PC and the second one without PC. And along with that, I'll also show you guys how to get back the default settings, the Google Discover while swiping towards the right hand side. And also remember, do not try it on OxygenOS 15 or below. This guide will only work on OxygenOS 16. So remember that before trying it out. But guys, the entire credit goes to the Reddit user. I'll leave his direct link in the description below. So you guys check it out from there and use the commands also from there. This is a video explanation how it will work. But before moving ahead guys, if you find our content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. First, let's start with the PC method. After that, I'll show you guys how you can do it without PC also. So for that, first what you need to do is you need to download the platform tools, and I'll provide direct links in the description below. Just download it on your PC and extract the file. So you'll see these many files inside the platform tool folder, and if by chance ADB commands doesn't work on your device, I'll provide a video in the description below and you guys can take a look at the video to make ADB working properly. But still, if you guys have any kind of issues, you can use the phone method, which is very simple. So once you have downloaded the platform tools on your device, you need to go to the settings, tap on about section, scroll down, tap on version, and from here tap version 7 times until you see you are a developer. I've already enabled developer options. So once you have enabled that, then go to system and update section. Under developer options, make sure you have enabled things like OEM unlocking and USB debugging. And by enabling OEM unlocking, your device warranty won't void, so do not worry about it. Just do not flash any other files. And if you're enabling USB debugging for the first time, you might see an pop-up. For that, just allow the necessary permissions and you're good to go. Once you have enabled these two settings, open the platform tools folder and in the address bar type CMD. Once you do that, you need to check now whether your device is properly connected. So for that, give command ADB devices and hit enter. So here you can see my device is being displayed. That means my device is properly connected. Now once again guys, if you want to completely remove Google Discover and you don't even want the empty space, then use these commands. There are two set of commands, one to enable OnePlus Shelf and one to completely remove Google Discover and the empty left page. So let's go with the first command, that's to remove the Google Discover and remove the empty space. So this is the command guys, which is ADB settings put secure assistant underscore screen underscore type 0. Let's hit enter. And here we have the second command. So all the commands will be mentioned, and I'll also mention which one is only to remove the Google Discover and which one to add OnePlus Shelf. Just hit enter. Now it's done. Now what you have to do is just restart your device. And once your device boots up, you will no longer have Google Discover towards the left hand side. There you can see. And even the empty page is not there. Now let's give a different command to add OnePlus Shelf. So this is the first command to enable OnePlus Shelf. Copy paste that command, hit enter. Then we have the second command, again copy paste and hit enter. Now again restart your device. Once your device boots up, now you'll have OnePlus Shelf towards the left hand side. There we go. Just allow all the necessary permissions and we have OnePlus Shelf. And if you guys don't see anything over here like the widgets, just tap on this plus icon, add one widget and all the widgets will automatically appear. And guys, it's not like you have to remove the Google Discover first, then add OnePlus Shelf. You can just give the second commands for enabling OnePlus Shelf and that will do the rest. Now, many people will have a question how to get back the Google Discover. So for that, I'll leave the commands in the description below. So the first command is this, just copy paste, hit enter. And this is the second command, copy paste and hit enter. Now just restart your device. You will have Google Discover on your device. I'll unlock the device now. And now if I slide towards the left hand side, you can see we have got back the Google Discover. And now let's talk about how you can do the same thing without any PC, just directly from your mobile phone itself. So for that, you need to have one application. I'll provide the direct link in the description below. And the application name is LADB, which is Local ADB Shell. Just download it, install it on your device. After that, just go to settings. You need to enable developer options. So tap on version and here tap on version number 7 times until you see you are a developer now. After that, just go back and inside developer option, make sure you have enabled all the things like USB debugging, OEM unlocking and the wireless debugging option. Once you have enabled wireless debugging option, open that section and then open the application which is Local ADB. Here you need to enter things like port and pairing code. Both the things can be found in the wireless debugging section. So just open this Local ADB application in floating windows and in the background open wireless debugging section. So here you need to tap on pair device with code. Once you tap, you'll see a Wi-Fi pairing code, and the second one is IP address and port. So the port has to be entered where it's written port, and Wi-Fi pairing code has to be entered where pairing code is written. Just type these two things and tap on pair. If you see any pop-up, just allow all the necessary permissions. I think pop-up will come 2 times. Once done, now open the local ADB application in full screen, and here just give the command which are mentioned in the description below. You have to enter 2 commands one by one. Just enter the command, hit enter, and after that the second command and hit enter. You won't see anything on the screen, but your work is done. And if you're doing with the local ADB application, you don't even have to restart the device. If you slide towards the right hand side, you'll see the OnePlus Shelf. And as I told you guys before, if you don't see any widget over here, just tap on the plus icon and add one widget. All the widgets will automatically appear. So this is the easiest method using which you can enable OnePlus Shelf while using the swipe right gesture. And the good part is, even if you restart your device, these settings doesn't get changed. We did test out on multiple devices running OxygenOS 16, so you don't have to worry about. So guys, this way you can disable Google Discover, and also if you want OnePlus Shelf to be added, that can also be done. And if you guys have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.